Dr. Leigh Chisholm at Seasons Veterinary Clinic, and today I'm going to talk about the first stretch of having a new puppy, which is always a very exciting time. There's two main vaccines that all dogs should have, and then there's a couple of additional vaccines depending on the dog's lifestyle. The two that you're going to want to have on board, first, the acronym, the DAPV, distemper, adenovirus, parvovirus. Those are the three big ones, and sometimes there's a para-influenza in there. That one, depending on the age of the puppy, they will need 2 or 3 doses about a month apart to get full immunity. Second vaccine every dog should have is the rabies vaccine. They can have that when they're about 4 months old. Variations in the vaccine schedule are common, so we'll take a look at what your puppy has or has not had, and we will go from there. The Bordetella, which is kennel cough vaccine, that's a good idea if they're going to be anywhere a bunch of other dogs are mixing about. Puppy classes, doggy daycare, the groomer, apartment buildings that have lots of pets, then Bordetella is worth considering. The Lyme disease vaccine, if the dog is going to be anywhere ticks are, camping, going out to the lake, even some of the parks in the city, it's worth a discussion about Lyme disease. So those are kind of the 4 main vaccines in Winnipeg to consider. The 2 nasty parasites we get to deal with in Manitoba, one is heartworm disease. Nasty disease, but easy to prevent. So dogs should be on a heartworm preventative starting the 1st of June and carrying on for the entire summer. We'll have a good talk about that. And we've got some really good tick preventatives available to us now, which is excellent. And the risks for ticks match those of Lyme disease, camping, running around the dog park, going out to the lake. So yeah, depending on what your new puppy's going to be up to, we'll talk about that. Spaying and neutering, you're going to ask 5 people and get 5 different answers on when that should be done, usually when they're about 6 months old. And then socializing, got a puppy, maybe doesn't have any vaccines, but they're young and they need to learn how to interact with other people and other dogs. So you want to pick safe places to socialize, adult dogs that are in good health, up to date on their vaccines, you're friends with their owners and know what they've been up to. So those are a few of the big things to consider when you get a new puppy, and I'm sure looking forward to meeting the little one.